Gomez is a well-known American actress and singer who has amassed a significant fortune through her successful career. Her lifestyle reflects her wealth and status, with luxurious homes, expensive cars, and a team of dedicated professionals to cater to her needs. Selena Gomez is a multi-talented American actress, singer, and producer who has amassed a considerable fortune through her successful career. She is also a successful businesswoman, with her own beauty line, Rare Beauty. Homes. Gomez owns several homes, including a sprawling mansion in Calabasas, California, which she reportedly purchased for $4.5 million in 2015. The estate boasts 6 bedrooms, 8 bathrooms, a swimming pool, and a tennis court. She also owns a home in Texas and a condo in New York City. Fashion. Gomez is also known for her stylish fashion sense. She often wears designer clothes and attends fashion events. Gomez's overall style is best described as effortless and chic. She is not afraid to mix and match different styles, and she always looks put together and polished. She is a true fashion icon, and she continues to inspire people with her style. Travel. Gomez is an avid traveler and enjoys exploring new places around the world. She has been to various countries, including France, Italy, and Japan. Cars. Gomez has a collection of luxury cars, including a Mercedes-Benz S-Class, a Range Rover, and a Lamborghini Huracan. These vehicles are often spotted parked outside her Calabasas mansion. Philanthropy. Gomez is a passionate philanthropist and has donated millions of dollars to various charities. She is a UNICEF Goodwill Ambassador and has also supported other organizations such as the JED Foundation and the Make-A-Wish Foundation. When she's not working, Gomez enjoys spending time with her friends and family. She is also known for her philanthropic endeavors, and she has donated millions of dollars to various charities. Overall, Selena Gomez lives a luxurious and fulfilling lifestyle. She has achieved great success in her career, and she uses her wealth and influence to make a positive impact on the world. Gomez is also a successful businesswoman, with her own beauty line, Rare Beauty. She is known for her open and honest conversations about mental health.